Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today I'm gonna be defeating the updated version of the Dark Tower in Prodigy. Alrighty guys, so a few years ago I made a video where I beat the Dark Tower, and today I'm gonna be defeating the Dark Tower one more time. But the Dark Tower has a bit of an update. Some of the screens have changed a little bit and it looks a little bit different. So I'm gonna be taking you guys through the entire journey of defeating the Dark Tower. So I recommend that you watch this entire video all the way through, because you're gonna learn all the things about the Dark Tower that you need to know in case you want to beat the Dark Tower yourself. Now guys, before we get on to the final battle of floor 100, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below. Guys, it helps me out so much when you like and subscribe. It only takes you guys a few seconds and it takes me a long time to make these videos. So yeah guys, before you guys get bored, let's battle Mirror Shade floor 100 of the Dark Tower. Watch this entire video.
The fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve.
I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning
12 seconds later.
Hey, all I do is your mess. Hey, can't keep my yes.
And guys, we have done it! Oh my gosh, we have finally beaten the Dark Tower in Prodigy. Here are the results, guys. Oh my gosh, let's go! Candy Corn, wow, you beat me. I'm speechless. I can't believe I lost to a wizard from the academy. I thought I was the strongest. Well then, it looks like I was wrong about you and about the academy. You really are the best of the best. Here, please accept this new robe as a gift from me, and tell all your friends to come here as well. I'd love to meet as many wizards as possible, especially if they're as strong as you. Oh my gosh. The 3 legendary items, guys. Mira's robes, Mira's hood, Mira's staff. Should we wear it? I'm putting on the drip, guys. Oh my gosh. Blake the Digger. My other account, I have defeated the Dark Tower on it, guys. And let's go to Town Square. Should we stay a bit? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. What if I walk back in here? I'm back at the bottom of the Dark Tower. If I walk back in there, I can't even go. But guys, there you have it. I have defeated the new and updated Dark Tower. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.